shouldn't hurt, but it tells me a lot.
Okay.
Good. Can't quite get the baby toe. No. Here, we're gonna do this one. Good. We don't have. Yeah. It's not. It doesn't have to pop. Let me come up. Checking your knees.
Okay.
Reach overhead and grab the table. Give me some counter. Good. Okay, you can relax your arms. Here's what I want you to kind of think of when you do your foam rolling, okay? We're gonna work on your quads. Yeah, roller.
Jump.
Okay, right.
Oh, yeah, sensitive.
Oh, too much, huh? Okay.
Like especially up in this area.
Can I feel it just for a
Yeah.
second? Let me see if I can feel with my hands here. Too much? Even that?
Yeah. I
Okay.
don't know. It doesn't hurt, but I feel like I need to tense up.
Okay. Well, we might have